Hello.
He's playing with who?
This is called Guinness.
Look at the size of Guinness. Hello.
Tiny.
My word. Let her on the floor. See how small she is.
Oh.
Is it a she?
Hey.
Hey. Hello, mate. Hey, Guinness. Little black fur ball. He's very cool.
Oh my word.
Tiny. He is so small. Is he big enough to be sold?
I've got those boxes, Dad.
Have you?
Yeah. IKEA.
Guinness.
Oh, we got a box. We got boxes.
We got a situation.
That's the pee on them. It's peed on my chair already.
Is he?
But it's a little tray though, it's pretty cool.
Have you got a tray?
Yeah, we get everything. It's all cool. Said his milk, his dinner.
Oh.
Oh.
I can only see his tail.
Oh, it's gone.
Where's he gone?
It's just a bit.
It's probably fall down a crack in the floor. Where is he? Oh, he's scared.
Scared. Indians.
Yeah, he's got his fur up. I'll stop now.